Hi everyone, welcome back to the Guide Up YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Up, I will be showing you how to log in into the Spotify account of yours. Now to do that, open a browser on your PC, click open a new tab, and there on the search bar you need to type in spotify.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official page of Spotify, and here you need to click on login at the right side of your window. Click that. It will direct you to the login page for the Spotify. You can log in into the Spotify with Facebook, Apple and Google. If you link your account with Facebook, Apple, Google, you can just click on this and you will be easily logged in. But we're gonna go with the email process. So type in the email address over here. And below you provide the password. And then click on login, and this will get you logged in into the Spotify account of yours right away. There's your profile name at the right side. So this is how you can log in Spotify. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Hub YouTube channel. Thank you.